So we've made it to the Phipps. That is the Cathedral of Knowledge. And then this, what park is this?
Shinley Park. This
is Shinley Park. And then across the street is where we're heading to the conservatory. So, Hallie and I are excited. All right, so it is still raining, but here's the external view of the Phipps. I'm gonna put you away because it is pouring the rain down. All right, so I had to switch over to my phone because it is raining and I don't want to ruin our new camera. But this is the entrance. So here is that sculpture up close. So we've made it up the stairs. Wow. It is absolutely beautiful in here. Hallie, I think I found one of your hidden stars. Oh, it's a compass.
There's hidden snowflakes, like plastic, like shiny snowflakes here. They were on the entrance when we came in. I don't know if probably filmed it or not.
I didn't. Tell us about them.
They're just shiny plastic snowflakes that they've hidden in here.
How many are there? Five of them. Oh. And there is a spinning tree. But this place is awesome.
I like the succulents on the end of these plants, like
yeah.
Chandelier things.
Yeah.
I can't wait for it to get dark. So it's like 3:30 now, so we have like an hour before it starts to get dark, so it'll be really pretty in here.
I love these poinsettias.
Unfortunately, they are poisonous for mags, so we have to admire them from afar.
But they are like my favorite thing ever. So I found our first snowflake. Is that it?
Yep, that's it.
I'm beating you.
Oh no, you were just ahead of me.
Just got smacked in the face by a plant. If you're not first, you're last.
Guess what? Guess what? I didn't get smacked in the face by the plant because I'm short.
So here are a few more sculptures. So we're in the next room with all these beautiful poinsettias.
There's penguins in here. Well, not real penguins, they're made out of leaves.
But look at this. Oh, I didn't realize those are leaves. This room is gorgeous.
I love her. Sorry?
This room is gorgeous. So, we're gonna get a 360 view of this guy, but that is
there's a like a photo
beautiful
spot kind of thing. It was blocked off in person, and there's like a little inlet.
But this is beautiful. We're gonna have to come back when it's not Christmas, but as you can see, it's very busy today. Wow. This room is beautiful. Yeah, they have an official wishing well. Wow, this is beautiful. Alright, so this is our favorite room by far. The poinsettias are great.
Symmetry.
Hallie's crying.
I'm not crying. You're crying.
There's a wishing well, so it's just sweating on her face today.
Yeah, no, I was standing over to the side and the ceilings are curved, so there was like water dripping down from condensation on me.
So, but definitely one of the prettier rooms in here. All right,
So
you ready?
should I do like an over the back thing or what?
No, I'm just gonna. Your
I
turn.
feel like this is the beginning of a Hallmark movie where there's like a magical wishing well. Okay.
All right. So this tree is just beautiful. So we are at the Phipps Conservatory here in Pittsburgh. It's the holiday season. All right, so.
Did you see the succulent tree?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. All sorts of different little guys.
We're gonna head on into the desert room. Let's see the left if you're going around.
All right. Oh no, it's the desert. Oh, here's another one of those sculptures.
Maybe we don't lose Daddy.
like these guys too.
Alright, so we're in the desert room. Or the desert, I'm not sure. It's very humid in the desert here in Pittsburgh. But do you guys see those plants over there? That's aloe from the other side. But
so this guy is huge. I feel like I'm in Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. How giant these are. I mean, look at that. Callie, I dare you to sit on that. I mean, these are just huge. That sculpture is beautiful.
it's not as crowded, maybe we can do another lap.
Yeah, let's do another lap.
Okay. I love these poinsettias, they're like multicolored like that.
Yeah,
You see this like plant that's got like the blue tips on it? That's
Yeah.
what they make tequila out of. It's blue agave.
Can we grow tequila?
We cannot, because tequila can only be made in Mexico for their regulation standards.
Can we make faux tequila?
You can make faux tequila.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were saying.
It's a snowflake. We found two.
You got two.
Wait, there's a sign for a choo-choo. Is there a train here? Is there a train here?
I don't remember.
Oh my goodness. So we are in the train room.
This is where we're at right
Yeah.
now.
So that's a model of where we're at. So here comes the train.
Hey, let's go around.
Hauling some cactus. Alright, so we started. Oh no, they've got an alligator and a giraffe. And here comes the trolley. Something tells me that if this were real, that lion would destroy those people. So here comes the train again, but this is really cool. I like that bridge.
Dapper Dan's.
Oh no!
Oh my gosh, there's really Woody and Jesse in there.
Oh my goodness. So there are the Dapper Dans, and there is Jessie and Woody.
Why is Jesse so much taller?
She's like hanging onto the thing. Let me call you sweetheart. Holy people, Batman. This is so cool, but it's very crowded.
Such a Pinterest thing to do.
What is it?
It's a like succulent wreath, like a living wreath.
Cool. I like this old classic table. But this is the gallery room.
A Yule log is a symbol of good luck. Decorated with holly. Would
Alright.
burn and then smolder in the hearts for 12 days of Christmas.
Wow. I like these wreaths. So they make Christmas bulbs out of trees. So don't tell anybody I'm Santa.
So Robbie was Santa at the Heinz History last week, and now he's Santa here at the Phipps. No. But yeah, this room, I love these poinsettias. They're like very. So here's a quick outside shot of the rooms that we've been in. I think this is the palm room that we were in, like the main room, and then over here I think is where the train is, and then this is like the Santa room where Robbie cut in front of like 8 people to sit in the Santa chair.
Time out. In my defense, the couple that was at the front of that line had already got their picture taken, so I assume they're just sitting there talking because it was the same group.
You're a jerk, is the moral of the story. In other news, this is a Japanese maple, and I would love to have one of them for my front yard because they're pretty. There's fishies in this pond. There's so many fishies.
I sort of feel like we're at the Epcot Pavilion.
Yeah, it's just quieter because there's no like drums.
Yeah. But no mochi too.
Aw, sad face chocolate mochi. Can't find chocolate mochi anywhere. Our Whole Foods is supposed to have like a mochi cooler, but they seriously never have anything in stock. It's so annoying. So it's getting super crowded in here, but I wanted to point out that these are supposed to be like ball ornaments that are made out of flowers right here. Then there's also these wreaths over here that are kind of the archway to Santa's seat, which is over there. So up here is like the modern era of trains and habitats for people in Pittsburgh, which I think this is a little idealistic with the solar panels and stuff, but maybe someday. Living rooftop gardens and such.
Like how they had their own little water supply.
Yeah. Very cool. And here comes the Acela Amtrak going through. If only there were more railways, because now they just have to back up and go the other way.
Beautiful little bonsai tree.
Probably like it's the tree of life.
Really? Oh, it's the coffee. Hey, I'll have it tall. I sort of feel like we're on Living with the Land now.
Oh, look, it's growing.
So here's another one of those sculptures. Got some papaya. Hallie, I like your umbrella.
Thank you. Banana.
B-A-N-A-N-A-S. This tree sprouts bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S.
Like that guy in that commercial, he's giving hands massages, and the woman giving him the manicure or something like his hair. When you're ready. Just has to go a little around. One time, I had a yellow star with a Wish logo, and it's just a couple away.
Way to go, Hal.
Consolation prize for you.
These things change color and they're really cool. But we're getting ready to go into the winter garden. Hopefully I can fit with my umbrella. Oh man, this is giant back here. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
We waited several years.
I'm freezing, but I'm excited.
Alright, so we've been here for like several years and we've never done this. This is our first time.
We've been in Pittsburgh for several years,
Oh,
we've
yeah.
never done this yet.
So
I've wanted to do it every single year, but we're like, oh, we'll wait and I'll do it after Christmas.
Never do it.
Because it's here till like the January 10th or something, and we just don't have time to do it.
But it's pouring the rain down, but it's really nice. They provided this awesome umbrella to use, so let's go in. So we may try to come back later this evening because our tickets run through and see it at nighttime. But I just love the building. So they have all these throughout the garden. So I have switched back over to my cell phone camera because it is really raining.
It's a baby market square tree.
It is, it's a baby market square tree. But this place is so cool.
It's so pretty and Christmassy.
I really like the lightsabers, those are my favorite.
A winter wonderland. Like a real winter wonderland.
Nah, it's raining.
But like, this is the closest we're gonna get in Pittsburgh. Just a couple decorations, nothing major.
Yeah, so you really like the tunnel of love, huh?
I like those light orb things with the stars inside. Those are really cool because you can't see the light bulbs.
Yeah, or can you? Those are some pretty nice presents. I like the fountain with the icicle lights. Sorry for the sound, it is definitely raining out here. We're finishing up at the conservatory.
Yeah, the rain has officially wrecked my hair.
And I'm drenched, so this is gonna be fun going to the symphony afterwards. But there's a gingerbread house behind us. And then some giant presents. For some reason, the Easter Bunny's here too. But I really love these giant balls of flowers. Like, those are cool hanging baskets. That yellow one's the coolest. How are those nuts, Mr. Squirrel? Cool. And then there are 3 bears. They're so cool. I like these little sculptures in here. So the question is that really a bird or a CD?
I don't know. Disney soundtrack?
Welcome to the Tiki room. Yeah, beautiful in here. Well, there's more of them. It looks like that guy's trying to teach them how to bowl. There's a lot of them. Oh my god, they're all over. They're gonna get us. With all these ferns, I feel like we've been transported to Holly River.
The fern touched me.
Don't do that. Hallie, you let our love fern die. So here's another one of the statues, but there is a palm tree back there. Wait, the lightsabers! Oh, so this really does go down quick. Look at these guys. I'm scared. This is doing really good in the dark.
Yay!
I can't wait to take this to Disneyland. Oh man. Alright, so low ceiling. That. Are these the glowing red balls from Navi? That was the clapping bird, only seen in South Africa. But I thought this was really cool. This is a rain chain, so there's literally water running down that. It's a cool little fountain. So that's the last of the glasswork here. It's beautiful. Alright.
Alright, so I think that's gonna wrap up our trip to the Phipps.
Yeah.
I think we've seen just about everything. I think we're gonna hit up the gift shop on the way out. We'll let you guys see if there's anything cool in there.
But definitely this place is worth checking out. It is super busy because it's Christmas season, so I'm excited to see it at not Christmas time.
Yeah, but the Winter Garden is not here during Christmas time, and that was definitely amazing.
Yep.
And
I just wish it wasn't raining.
Yes, I'm excited to do a return trip maybe next year because I want to see it when it's nice out, because we were only out there for a few minutes and it was still kind of light out, but it's just the weather is not cooperating.
Yep. So make sure you hit this. Make sure you hit the like button and be sure to subscribe for more awesome content.
Yeah.
See y'all later. Bye.
Bye.